And welcome to the Nexus. Today we're doing stage 41 of our Enterprise build. So we're going to be working on the Cobra neck. We're going to close everything up on that, and we've also got a panel for our saucer section, but we're going to do the panel first, then the saucer, then the Cobra neck. So let's do that. Okay, so once again we've got our pieces here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that. That's what we're doing in stage 41. We're going to stick in the yellow and black side of our light on that side. So I'm going to do all this with the BP, and that is what I'm going to do with that piece. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that. And then we're going to show you where it goes on the saucer section here. I believe it goes here. There's a few things I want to say as well about the saucer section. So I was wondering where this cable here, why there wasn't one in. That's because it was the cable from underneath, which I've sorted. I still have an extra light. Now I have gone around the whole thing. That it doesn't seem to be like a gap for it. I've gone through the whole, literally the whole thing, and I cannot find for the love of me where this part will go. I'm sure it's going to go somewhere it cannot reach at currently. I'm going to have to put it somewhere, and I will put it somewhere when it needs to be. But yeah, at the moment I'm just shoving it in there. But when I turn on all these lights, they're all on. Now I do have some spare lights, so there must be some at some stage. Anyway, now I haven't got any spare lights this side, but I have got some this side. So we've got this one just here, which is off of the impulse engine at the back here, which is just there. I'm also going to put, now I've got some cable ties in the last couple of issues. I'm going to cable tie all this up as well, and this side, because these ones here we don't put in just yet, but they will obviously go into a circuit board at some point. In fact, I'm going to take that one out because I think that's the wrong one, so I'm going to take that one out. Yep, it's this one here that needs to go in there because of how short it is. It goes, I'm just going to put it in here like that. Obviously there's going to be some lights for the underside section that will go into here as well, but there's going to be another circuit board just here for these lights and the other bits. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to build this, then we're going to attach it to the saucer section, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so as you can see, we now have our saucer section set here. So it's going to sit just here. So next to the impulse engine panels, we're going to go round. We've got U304, U303 is here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to poke this through here like this, so it comes up through this side, and as you can see here, there is like a circle section just here. It's going to come down sort of like that, and we're going to poke it up so it's just like this. Now we're going to poke that back through, and this one is going to come through here like this, and we're going to put this wire in this hole just here. That does mean we're going to put it up a little bit just to slide it in like so. And this is going to sit like so, just like that. So here there's like a little groove section where this will go in, and obviously this one will go up into this recess like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use CP screws to attach this on. So CP screw there and a CP screw there. So what I'm going to do Put one just there for now, just to slightly hold it, so we can still move it about a little bit. And the other one's going to fit just here. I'm going to pull this one up and do this one up as well. Now it's got to sort of overlap slightly, but it doesn't look like it sits flush. Okay, so as you can see there, it doesn't look like it's sitting flush. It like it's not. It's got to move over more. Maybe it will be pushed over. Just trying to see how that will slide over, but it looks pretty okay. Okay, so next we're going to grab our Cobra neck. Okay, so as you can see, so this part is going to go on there, and then this part on there. We're going to use CP screws to do that, but we need to attach this one here to the lower side, and this one here to the top side, without them being crossed over. So like that. Sort of like that. Some CP screws. So we're going to need 3 on this one. It's a bit difficult because you don't want to sort of pull any wires or anything. It's quite a tight fit. There's one there, and we also have the torpedo launcher as well. So you want to be careful when opening this bag, because you've got the tiny, I don't even know if you can make that out, a tiny torpedo launcher section just here. Okay, so that's going to sit like that. It is at an angle. It's got to sit in. I'm going to actually turn this on. You know what? It's all lit up. Cool. Okay. So it sort of just slides in. I don't want to lose that, that's for sure, in there. What have I got? A pair of tweezers. I have. There we go. Okay, so when we marry this section up, we're going to use BM screws, so I'm going to get all them ready now. Okay, just to sort of show you where that goes, it's just there. Whoops, there goes everything. There goes the light. There we go. Just in there, it's sort of at an angle, and there's a little cutaway for it there that you want to try and get it into. Okay, so moment of truth now. Is we now somehow have to push all these wires in. So we're going to pull these up like this and this. And I think we're going to do the same on these as well. Just pull the lot up. And then push the wires in like so. Making sure we sort of slide it in like so. Let's push some of these wires down a little bit more. So okay, so we're there. Okay, so let's do these BM screws that will just go along this section here. If they marry up, okay. Let's loosen this section as well, like so. Well, it's a little bit easier. Okay, so this has to go down quite a bit. There we go. Okay, so I think there's a wire trapped. Let me take that out. And this will have to come out again. Okay, so I'm going to move this out, move the wires down, and we're going to screw along this section, and then we'll take a look. Okay, so as you can see, all done. My advice would be to take this plate off completely to make sure you line up all that, and then just screw it back down. And also be careful of torpedo tube, which is right there. Okay, so the moment of truth. So I'm just going to turn off all the lights. And so there's the back. We both have the nav lights as well flashing, which is good. You can see that. And now we're going to look at the sides. So there's that one, which we've just done. There's the other side, and the torpedo tube at the front. So effectively, this is now complete. We've now we've obviously got a little bit to do here. Let's turn all these back on again. Now obviously we've got these panels to go on, and the bottom panels here, but effectively our Cobra head is now done, and I am very pleased with it. Very pleased. It lights up very well. It's got some weight in it. We can also as well, when you're building this, make sure that all the latches come out, as you can see there. It's important that they come out because all 4 of these latches will be used to put the saucer section on. So make sure they're not sort of there's no wires caught under them or anything like that, because you will have problems later on. But I'm very, very happy. It's also easy to get to the battery compartment there, and this sits on quite nicely. And I'm going to turn it off now, but I am really happy with that. Oh, I forgot to show you the impulse engines on as well. But yeah, very, 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 very happy with that. So that now brings us to the end of stage 42. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to click like, share and subscribe. Also comment as well. I love reading the comments. And as always, we'll see you guys at the next video. So take it easy. See you later.